Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. Thought I'd share my latest craft haul with you. Some of you might have seen my last video and I was using the Hunky Dory foam strips. I buy lots of these, I really like these. I got some washi tape. I haven't really played with washi tape, but I thought I'd have a go. Then I brought, this says it's masker's tape. This is for your dies. I'm always looking for something that doesn't rip the card when you're like having to stick your dies down. But the stuff that I used on my last video was very good. I'll put a link to that. I've already been playing with these new set of dies, the Slimline collection, nested scallops. I like these because this is scalloped, but this is stitched, and you've got scalloped and stitched edges on some of them. So I have been having a play with those, so you will see some cards with those. This, I kept seeing this, so I've given and I've brought it. It's Tim Holtz. I think it's called Santa's Little Helper. So I'm going to have a play with that as well. Another MDF project, Lisa Horton's lantern. I'm quite looking forward to this. So I did have the paints that I did my coasters with, but I've decided to buy some more paints. So I've got, there's that word again that I couldn't say last time, high viscosity. This says it's a bluey green, iridescent bluey green. This one says it's iridescent reddy blue, lovely bright orange, and this one is a bluey black. So I thought I could have a play with these. I have got some MDF hearts somewhere as well and some other bits and pieces, so paint was a good idea. So I will put a link to what I can below, and I'll post all the details on my blog, which is shellbower.blogspot.com. If you could like and subscribe, that makes me happy. If you click the little bell, it will tell you next time I upload something. And until next time, bye bye for now.